India expressed deep concern over what it termed unremitting hostilities against religious minorities in Bangladesh, including Hindus, Christians, and Buddhists. Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal condemned the killing of Hindu youth Deepu Chandra Das in Mymensingh, noting that Bangladeshi authorities have arrested 12 suspects. He also referred to the mob killing of another Hindu man, Amrit Mondal alias Samrat, in Rajbari, linking such incidents to the deteriorating law and order situation. Jaiswal said over 2,900 incidents of violence against minorities have been documented by independent sources during the tenure of Bangladesh's interim government, stressing that these cannot be dismissed as media exaggerating or political fallout. India also reacted cautiously to the return of Bangladesh Nationalist Party acting chairman Tariq Rahman, stating that developments should be viewed in the context of ensuring inclusive and credible elections. Addressing recent unrest following the killing of youth leader Sharif Usman Hadi, Jaiswal rejected attempts to link India to the incident, asserting that maintaining law and order remains Bangladesh's responsibility.
Regarding anti-India rhetoric, you would have seen also in the last several days we have issued a couple of or more than couple of statements. We have rejected the false narrative that has been projected in Bangladesh. You would understand that law and order or security situation or the developments that are happening in Bangladesh is the responsibility of the government of Bangladesh, and to portray a narrative where things go in some other direction is completely false, and we reject that. Akhilesh, your question regarding minorities, we are all aware of the recent developments in Bangladesh. We have been closely following them, and as far as law and order situation is concerned, I have been apprising you from time to time as to what our position has been or should be and is today. The unremitting hostility against minorities in Bangladesh, including Hindus, Christians, and Buddhists, at the hands of extremists, is a matter of grave concern. We condemn the recent gruesome killing of a Hindu youth in Mymensingh and expect that the perpetrators of the crime would be brought to justice. Over 2,900 incidents of violence against minorities, including cases of killings, arsons, land grab, have been documented by independent sources during the tenure of the interim government. These incidents cannot be brushed aside as mere media exaggerations or dismissed as political violence. बांग्लादेश में अल्पसंख्यकों, जिसपे हिंदू भी हैं, ईसाई भी हैं, बौद्ध धर्म के लोग भी हैं, उनके खिलाफ लगातार हिंसा हो रही है। यह गंभीर चिंता का विषय है। हाल ही में मैमनसिंह में एक हिंदू युवा की हत्या हुई, उसकी हम घोर निंदा करते हैं। हम ये भी उम्मीद करते हैं कि अपराधियों को जल्द से जल्द कटघरे में लाया जाएगा। और आपको जैसे बताया मैंने कि स्वतंत्र सूत्रों के अनुसार पिछले इस अंतरिम सरकार के कार्यकाल में 2,900 ऐसे वारदात सामने आई हैं जो हत्या से संबंधित है या आगजनी से हो या ज़मीन हड़पने के मामले से हो, और इन घटनाओं को मीडिया की यतिशक्ति या एग्जैजरेशन कहकर या राजनीतिक हिंसा बताकर इसको नज़रअंदाज या दरकिनार नहीं।